Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing the remarkable used 2021 Kia Sorento Sx in elegant black with only 15,700 miles. This SUV combines style, performance, and versatility flawlessly. Experience luxury with its premium features, including a panoramic sunroof, advanced driver assistance systems, and a high-tech touchscreen display. The low mileage ensures its excellent condition and reliability. Don't miss the chance to own this impressive Sorento Sx and elevate your driving experience. Grab this opportunity to enjoy the perfect balance of comfort, sophistication, and adventure. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.